Let's start this video by saying the cat is stuck in a what? In a tree? That's right. Do you know how to spell tree? T-H-R-E-E, tree. Do you know how to spell for? Right? F-O-R, for. Human beings, smart or stupid. You have a child on the way, you know there's going to be something wrong with the child, and you decide to keep the child. Now we're saying abortion is no good, abortion is good. If you only knew the reality of life, okay, and what life is, and when life actually begins, then you would actually be able to make the right choice. But knowing that if you bring anybody into this world under any condition that you know might not be deemed as fine and perfect to this world so they can live on their own, you make the choice, okay, to become the servant, okay, or the helper to this person who will bring you all the joy in your life forever, or will bring you all the anger and demise for the rest of your life, or to those days that go on. So the question is, that's the question. Global warming? Take a look at this water bottle. See this? I put a little heat in it, and it sucked it in. Take a look at this water bottle. I put a little heat in it. You see the way it's all caved in? Put a little heat in these water bottles, and it caved in. So the question is, the ozone, if it gets too warm, will it cave in, or do we need more heat to expand it? So that's the question in hiding the two zones. The two zones. We don't live in one zone. We live in two zones. What we believe, what we think, who is crazy, who says things that makes no sense, who says things that they don't even know what they're talking about. I do numbers. And it has showed me, without even thinking of what, I don't even put a thought to the pathway I'm going, this is what it tells me. Adding on a new part to this video, we have one man over here, 2 feet, standing on 2 stones. He holds this stone here, and he holds this stone here. This is who you are. You go up into the sexes, down into here, and now you become this. You were born to be this, you are split into be this, or you come into this, the spirit comes in, boom. Spirit comes in right from the top. Now where can I get a pen? Spirit comes in right from the top. What happens is it splits. Boom, boom. Now it splits onto this side. See the way it looks like a foot and another foot? Here's a foot. Now you have another foot and a new body is being built on top of the earth. And this is inside of you, how you're down into the earth from your mind all the way down. Here is the center of you. Okay? One other thing. The wheel. Detroit owns the wheel. Chicago owns the Indian head. Toronto owns the leaf. Montreal owns the C. Boston owns the B. And New York is New World Order. 575-676-474. Jesus into the spirit of 76 of the gateway of everything. New York Rangers. This is the wheel. This is the wheel. 7 and 9 equals 16 equals 7. 7 and 0. 9 and 0 make 7 look the same. 0 and 9 make all numbers look the same. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Here stands the cube. See if I take the cube? Here stands the cube. I have this side and this side, okay? See the cube? When I put the cube straight, I get 3 over here. I get 3 over here. Here's the cube in the center. That's the way it's held up. Not here, but like this, okay? This is the way you get your 3 sides. This is where you create your 8. It's 2 sides to create 1 side. Remember, the divided sign is between 2 sides. Here's the number 555, V in Roman numerals. V plus 1 equals 21. V plus A equals 06. V plus O equals 56 equals 11. This equals 5. This equals 6. 5, 6 equals 11. V and U equals to 5 equals to 3. 5 and 3 center. V and E equals to 5 and 5, and that equals to the circle. There's 2 ways to the flat earth. One is a 45-degree angle. The flat earth comes down 45 degrees here and 45 degrees here. Now the second part of the flat earth bends up 45 degrees and bends up 45 degrees. But when you put the 45 degrees on 3 levels, okay, it seems like it's going to go around. These 2 balance the levels like they balance the ocean. These 2 here and these 2 here. They're actually together. Balancing the oceans. Up and down. This one stays stable because it's in the middle. Up and down. 2 sides. Here's the bicycle. We guide the wheel from the seat. The seat is the transmission. Who pedals the pedals? The lummed. Over here on your pedals, you have your seat, you have your back wheel, which gears the forward the bike, and your gear is inside the 5. You see the 5 is over here? Creates 3, 5, 5, 5. We spoke about this already. Give me a second. Can we do this? 1 minus 4 is 3. 1 minus 7 is 6. 1 and 1 is 2, and 7 equals to 9. 4 and 4 and 1 and 1 is 2 equals to 6. So we get 6, 6, 9, 7, 303. Here's another part about the 210 combination. When you add 1 to 20, it equals to 210. 42 times 5 is 210. 105 times 2 is 210. 30 times 7, creation of the gateway, 210. The hand of God, 165, 2 times, equals 317. Equals to Mars, alternate current to the gateway. The queen, the Q letter, the Q from the passage. You see the way the design of the Q. The 9 lives of the cat times 5 is 210, becomes 257. The cycle of the moon. I know because the moon is 57. There are 2 moons. It comes out of Mars. The alternate current. So I'm just speaking about this stuff, bringing it up to date. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm behind on. I'm going to show you one of the designs, okay? Creation of 432 vibration works out of here. There's 2 mug and dovets over each other inside of here. Okay, and then you have this. These are the gearing systems. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.